Good morning, and welcome. It's Jilly Cube, and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I'm going to try my double dip on large canvases. These are 40 by 50 canvases, two of them. I have put masking tape on the back to keep my bottom clean, and I've put giant push pins in there. So the plan is to pour these really beautiful vibrant colours that I've already just tried on a smaller canvas to see if I like them, and I love them. So I'm going to pour the colours on one and do a giant dip onto the other canvas. So you've got to wish me luck here, because it's a really nice, easy project to do normally on smaller canvases, especially if you want to do something with children. You know, it's a nice, easy project. They were doing this kind of art in school. So it's not, you know, it's not nothing new for sure, but I want to do it now because it's a really nice project to do if you've never done art before and you think that it's going to turn out like, you know, not very nice. This is usually the technique to do that's a lot easier to create something that looks quite beautiful. So I'm going to try it on larger canvas, and I know it is a little bit more difficult on larger canvases, but if you practice on the smaller ones, dipping on the smaller ones, then you can get some lovely looks on that too. But I've got these lovely colours, really bright and vibrant. So I just wanted some really nice, bright and vibrant colours. So I'll go past all the boring bits, which is putting a base layer down. It's just my normal paint mixed in my normal way, and the ingredients are in the drop-down box. Underneath this video, there's even a link to the video of me making up my pouring medium for those that doing a thin layer. All my canvases are already purchased pre-gessoed, meaning they're already treated, so it doesn't have to have a base layer. The reason I'm doing this is so my other paints that I layer on top will slip around nicely. So nice and easy, lemon squeezy. So if you've got children at home, or you want to have a go with your daughter or your son, or a dad's day, even dads can do it. Yes, even dads can do it. Do it. Rightio. I am just using the most nice, bright, Scooby-Doo, vibrant colours. So this is fluoro pink, and it's a global acrylic colour. So I'm going to do some sort of squiggles everywhere first. Squiggles and squiggles. And then some sort of, I always get these nice effects by putting these chevrons in it. So then we'll whip over to my beautiful cool blue. This is a bit full. Just try and make sure when you're doing these dips to do your paints a little bit thicker. I find then they don't muddy up so easily if you're doing your paints a little bit thicker. A little bit thicker than some. So there we go. It's literally, yeah, free for all in here, just whatever you fancy. I mean, even leaving a painting with squiggles all over is super cool. If you're doing a large canvas, it's quite simple and it's super cool looking up on a wall for sure. So okay, this is the purple. It's a little bit, so I'll just, oh, I've got a blob, not to worry. Oh, and another one, not a care in the world. Rightio. So So not too many colours in this one. Oh, I'll put my pink in. What was I going to go next? Oh, yes, silly Jilly. This super vibrant, bright as a button yellow. I'll put something to give it a pop. Pop its socks. It's a really nice, big, fun family project to do, I reckon. You got the kids and the hubby. It's really nice thing to do. I'll just give it a squiggle with the white. Oh, I'm really hoping this turns out okay. Rightio. Let's just, so I've got my hot pinks, the bright yellow, cool blue, and the purple, and now I've got my other canvas. So this is why the push pins are very good, because you can use those push pins to line it up and hold on to your canvas. I really want to try this on a huge canvas, but I'd have to do it on the floor or close to the floor. I haven't yet tried it on a huge canvas, but how cool would that be on a really huge doing two huge canvases, then hanging them up on a nice big wall. Rightio. So I'm just pressing at the minute, just pressing. Just press it with your hands. It's just to transfer the paint from one canvas to the other, so it is your double dip. And another idea, if you've got one of these rollers, you can literally roll it out. These are quite handy, I find, for spreading the paint. I've actually only used my roller when it's been flat on a surface. I haven't used it from canvas to canvas, so it will be interesting. If you get any bald spots on one of the canvases, quite simple to use your balloon as a tool to embellish it. So easy wizzy, let's get busy. So, fingers crossed. You can either, I should have probably put one pin in the middle to pull it evenly. So anyway, let's see. Oh my lordy. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that. How super duper is that? Now all I need is, wow, embellish that like a butterfly. That'd look lovely on the wall together. Look at those colours. They jump off the canvas. They've got a really lovely effect on them. Oh my goodness, that is you beaut, super duper. I'm really happy with that. You couldn't, yeah, that's such a perfect project to do with the mother, daughter, son and daughter, the children, grandchildren. Have a go. It is so... I always get excited, and I've done it tons of times, but now I'm really want to do this on a huge canvas. I've got a little balloon. It's just an ordinary size balloon, but I just put a little bit of tap water in it to give it a bit of weight. I don't put water in bigger balloon, you know, fill it right up, because I've had disasters with that. So you can just use your balloon to embellish any areas that you think needs a little bit of sassing up. And it's just these edges, I think, that I need to embellish. Of course, putting the blue with the yellow, it'll turn it green, but those colours are super vibrant and I'm so excited about them. I haven't done the really bright colours in quite a few weeks now, so I am happy, Jen. You can put your balloon in anywhere you choose, but I think because I've got such lovely pattern in there, I don't think I'm going to put any more in that. That is U-Beaut Super Duper, 2 large canvases. Oh, they'll look so nice on the wall together. It needs a lovely artist, Sandra Letts, to do beautiful artist. She can put in a butterfly in there, and she's really talented artist, and I've seen her embellish some paws. Is it Sandra Letts Trumpfella or something like that? Sandra Letts. Lovely lady. Okie doke, my lovelies. That is super, and I really would love to hear if you give it a go. Go across to our Australian Acrylic pouring group on Facebook. The link is below in the drop down box. And if you haven't joined, please do so. It's just a few questions. So to stop, you know, spammers. And join, and then you can post your work on there and I can see what you do. So my lovelies, have fun. Do this with the family. It's a really fun project, and it's just, yeah, so joyful. The colours are joyful anyway. And I will be back tomorrow. So bye for now. Just thought I'd bring you down to have a look at this lovely colours together, and just the lovely effect it's given. So nice. Always works out better when you do your paints on the little bit of the thicker side. They're thicker than some. Look at those lovely effects. It really does look like wings. If you did a butterfly in the centre, or a fairy, like big fairy wings. So these two, when they're dry and they're given a coat of gloss varnish, you can resin them. They really stand out with resin. Wow. Like I said, now I'm super pumped to give a huge canvas a go. Might need help with that one there. There you go. Look at that. There's no cells in this one, which is absolutely breath of fresh air to have something that hasn't got cells in, believe it or not. There's a few of the little balloon kisses. I'll give it. They do give a lovely effect look in there. Super duper nice. All right, my lovelies, just wanted you to have one last look and then wait until you see the photos of them dry. Yes, I did sneak a few balloon kisses in strategic spots, and believe it truly embellished it beautifully. So again, had a great fun doing this. Until tomorrow, bye for now.